Good afternoon from the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern, lower, and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Wednesday, May the 15th. Looking at the hazardous weather highlights over the next 7 days, we've got elevated fire danger once again on Thursday afternoon into the early evening hours for northern Michigan due to low relative humidity and gusty winds. Also a frost potential for at least portions of the area in northern lower Michigan later Thursday night. On the current weather map, a weak cool front slipped through the area earlier in the day, had with it a few clouds and even a little bit of light precipitation. Left quiet conditions in its wake with a good deal of sunshine, some gusty winds. Quiet weather will be the story into the day on Thursday. High pressure in control. Once again, that elevated fire danger issue once again during the afternoon to the early evening hours. By later Thursday into the day on Friday, an area of high pressure will slip into the northern lakes. This will set the stage for a cool night Thursday night. Some locations, especially the typically colder ones, such as Pellston and Grayling and Mayo, likely down into the lower 30s, so you'll want to protect sensitive vegetation. Quiet weather continues into the weekend. There is a small chance of a few sprinkles over portions of the area later Friday night, but in general, it looks like a dry weekend at this time. Warm days, highs in the 70s for the most part. 60s closer to the Great Lakes, and nice cool lows in the 40s both days. Now the weather does begin to become a little more active as we head into the first part of next week. A larger area of low pressure developing over the northern plains will gradually work toward the western Great Lakes. A warm front, as you can see here on the map, will begin to move up into our area. So shower and thunderstorm chances increasing as we get into the day on Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even Wednesday, along with some slightly cooler temperatures by the time we get into the middle of the week. Here's a look at precipitation over the next 7 days, and as you can see, the heaviest precipitation will be to the west and to the south of the area. There will be still some precipitation over northern Michigan. Not a whole lot, but generally half an inch to an inch potential, and that would occur early next week. So once again, highlighting that elevated fire danger on Thursday, the frost potential Thursday night. And there'll be some thunderstorms potentially with the rain chances increasing early next week. This concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. I thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.